Welcome to DMP Training Center. I'm Adam, and I'm here today to talk with you about the 1100X wireless receiver. The 1100X is compatible with our XR series panels, the 150 and the 550. You'll notice on the new 1100X that we no longer have those long rabbit ear antennas, and the antenna is actually internal to the case of the unit, but you still get the same range that you've come to expect with any DMP wireless product. It still connects to the panel the same way that it always has to the X bus header on your XR panels, and you don't require any kind of a firmware update to work with this redesigned unit. It'll just plug and play just like you're used to with any other 1100X wireless receiver. Also, this will now fit into the ES532 outdoor enclosure, so that gives you more mounting options for your wireless network. So while this does have all the same features that the previous 1100X has, since we've redesigned it, we do want to take a moment to kind of familiarize yourself with the different LEDs and switches that are on the 1100X. Along the right, we have both our wireless transmit and receive and our panel transmit and receive LEDs, and these can help you determine that the 1100X and the panel are communicating with DMP wireless devices and that the 1100X itself is able to communicate with the panel. Along the bottom, we have our 4-terminal block for our connection to the X bus header on the XR panel, as well as our case tamper, which is on the front. Then along the left-hand side, we have a jumper that will allow you to disable the wall tamper if the situation calls for it. Thank you for taking the time to join us today to talk about the redesigned 1100X wireless receiver.